Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to put your artwork on Redbubble to sell it and or just print it yourself, whatever you want. Like, this is part of a series I did on print on demands. There's one video shows how when I get the stuff, unpack it and unbox it. There's one video how I make the art. This one is the third one. This shows you how to put it up on a print-on-demand website like Redbubble. Redbubble I like the best because it's so easy to do and you can do it from your phone. So today I show you how to upload it from your phone. So stay tuned, we're going on the phone. Okay guys, here we are at Redbubble. So you go to up to your profile, click on the icon, click add new work. And you get here, then you click that cloud again, and you get to the images. Decide which image you want to import. Click on that. There you go. It goes super fast. And done already. Then you see a whole bunch of products you can put your artwork on. As you can see, they're kind of small on there. It's because I created this on my phone and it doesn't really fit. The revolution is too small, but this is just to demonstrate if you have one from the computer, it will fit fine. It just has to be at least 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. So this is the sticker, this one is fine. So we're gonna add that one. Just apply changes, push the red line. Then this is the iPhone case, and because it looks kind of funny, you can actually change it by make a repeat pattern. You can move it around wherever you want. You like it that way, or you can do the kind of the staggered repeat one as well. So we use this one, add that. Now we go to this one, same thing. You can do the repeat and push the applied changes. Down here is the mug, same thing. If you like just one, that's fine, but if you want to put cover the whole mug with one design, you do the same thing and add that too. And make sure you enable it so that when the green bar is on, that means it's enabled. Let's do the dress. That's kind of cute. Same thing. Click on that. You can see it now, how it looks. And enable this one too. So make sure the green bar is green, so it will be enabled and it will be in your store to be able, you can buy it, order it. And there's one other one down here somewhere. And yep, this one. This is the journal. So yeah, this one is the only one who has this option. You can duplicate the design. If this would be bigger, it would cover both sides and the middle would be white or whatever color you would like it. But I'm gonna put the repeat on this one too. Looks kind of cute. Okay, so now when you come down here, you put the title. I'll put orange geometric shapes. And make sure you use the keywords that you think people are going to look for if you want to sell your art. Then in the description here, same thing. You can write a whole bunch about it. Make sure you put a lot of tags and keywords in here so it will be found by the algorithm. You can also put your whole social media on here. Then you come down here. You can, if you like, change it to another language or just leave it the language as it is. You just don't do that box there. So here you can put all your tags in. I put orange, but you have 50 tags you can put in here, so make sure you put lots. And yeah, as again, you go and do research what other people put in the same genre as you. Oh, here we go. Sorry, this is where you can put your language if you like. You just, yeah. Mark that box, and then you can put your own, or it automatically does it in French, German, or Spanish. Down here you choose the media. This is digital, and I put design and illustration. It depends what you have. You put the appropriate media on there. And further down are collections. I have collections. That's another way of organizing your artwork in your shop. So you can put whatever collection it goes to. Over on the other side is groups, but you can be parts of groups in this too. So it's like an sort of you can interact with other artists, but there's nothing we can add this time. Next is the default view. This is how it looks in your store when people come to your store. I'm just gonna put travel mug because I thought it looked kind of neat on that one, but you can put whatever you like. Down here you make sure you say yes to that you have the rights to sell this, and up here it's make sure you put it as public. And this one is for mature content, in case there is something you think is mature, and then you put obviously yes, but we're going to put no today because there's no mature content. In case you don't know, there's some rules you can go and check out on that bar when you click on that. Okay, so now you can click. Oh, I forgot, I didn't enable the travel mark, so I better do that. Make sure all the green ones are on. Of course you could, if you have the proper resolution, like if you go into Canva and have the 5000 by 5000, then all of these can be enabled. Here we go, put send, submit, and oh, it's kind of stuck. Come on, go. It's a little slow. I think it's because somebody else in the house uses the computer, and then the Wi-Fi slows it down a bit. Usually it's really fast. As I was saying, Canva has a great, easy to use graphic design. Is an easy to use graphic design website. You can change your product, your artwork in there. You can play with it. I'm gonna make a video on that one too. And you can even do it on the phone as well. There you go, it's uploaded. Here you see it says in 15 minutes it's gonna be on your profile. These are all the artworks that didn't work because the resolution was too small and I didn't enable them, but that's fine. This is just for demonstration purposes again. Here you can see the mug. Down here it says how many products I enabled, and here you can see them. They have nice mock-ups, cards, journal, tote bag, throw pillow, and travel mug. You go up here, you can see that's how much it cost. And then they also show you other people's artwork as well, unfortunately. Down there are my other designs. You can also share it. As you can see, there was a share button, so you can put it on your social media. Right there. Make sure you like it yourself. So if you get a favorite, then people can, I think it might be pushed more. Now we can go over here, go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you go down, there's different things like your profile, your avatar, you can change your password, you cancel account if you want. You go further down, activity feed, product pricing. You go there, click on that. And then you actually Oh, this is a promote. So this promote yourself and your artwork. You can send messages to you people who buy your product. It's a personal touch you can put on there. And go back. Okay, so we go to product pricing. Click on that. And you come here to this, so you see every product. You see the markup. Usually it's all set to 20%, but you can go in there and actually change it. Cases, laptop, and obviously it depends on the original price. If it's something that's cost, like here, has 500, let's do 50%. It's quite expensive, so I'm gonna put that a little more, I think, to less, maybe, I don't know, 30% maybe. Obviously, the more you put, the more money you make. So there you go, 30%. So that looks a little more realistic. You want people to buy it, not discourage them, obviously. Art prints I did at 40 because they're not that expensive. Down here, frame prints, they're expensive, so I leave that 20%. Photo prints I change. I'm gonna put 40%. And so on. So you can just go through these and see yourself what do you think is best for how much money you want to make. And you will be don't have to worry about people not buying anything that's too expensive. And where are the stickers? I think the stickers I put out 50% because you only make like 50 cents or 5 cents. I can't remember how much per sticker, so I put that to 50. Okay. Let's go down to the bottom. And you can apply it to all of your products. So let's check that box and then submit changes, save changes. It says yes, this is going to change all of them. Yes. So actually you could individually change the price for every product, for every design you have. Okay, here we go. Here's my profile. There's a little bit of, make sure you put bio in there. You can put all these social links. There are my collections: watercolor, abstract, digital, watercolor, and quotes I have right now. So that's organized a little more. These are the new artworks. This is the header. There's my name. There's the dashboard again. Click on that. You can go to what have we got here? Go to shop. Push the button down below. And then you can see all the different products. Like the default view of your shop. Each product you decided that's what you want. Like this is the best one that shows your design the best off, I guess, for each product. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video and you got inspired to put your artwork out there and maybe just print it yourself for gifts for other, for presents for other people, or actually get into trying to sell your own artwork. I hope that inspired you. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe, like, and share for similar videos like this and how I do my artwork. This is, like I said, a series, so I'm gonna put in the cards and down in the description the other 2 videos I did on this. let me know if you like to watch more like this kind of video down in the description. Yeah, and make sure you check out the rest of my channel. There's art tutorials and art demos on there to your heart content. So see you in the next video. Bye.